Hi friends, hi YouTube. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love from red colorful makeup, I love indie makeup, and I love color stores that don't necessarily go together. And I would love to have you subscribe if you haven't already, but if you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. It is what it is. I enjoyed our small bit of time together. Yes, I am this pale. Yes, it's just the lighting isn't helping, but I'm also a vampire, so if you don't stay and subscribe and enjoy my content, then face the wrath. Today we are ranking my almost in my vampire palettes. Oh my god. I'm reading a Twilight book, so that's not helping either. Oh, but I'm ranking my Unearthly cosmetics palettes. I only have 7 of them right now. I'm going to get more this year. My goal is to use and buy more from them, and same for Bella Beauty Bar. But yeah, we are going to be ranking my Unearthly palettes here today. So if you want to see what palettes I have and where I rank them, then let's get into this. Okay, so I only have 7 palettes. Like I said, I want to get more. I plan to get more. It's just January has a different budget for right now. Money's going other places. Like I said, I have 7 of them here, so let's rank these bad boys. Just because they're ranked like lower does not mean that I dislike them. I only buy stuff that I like, hence why there's only 7 of these. Not that I don't like the other ones. I am going to be picking up their other ones, but like they're in my collection because I love them, because I use them, because I like how they look and they work, all that good stuff, right? Right. So they're not being ranked because they suck. They're just there because we're ranking, yeah. But coming in 7th, like I said, is Charmer. This is from their last year's Valentine's Day box. I loved the packaging for this one on the outside of the mystery box. This is the color story. I do think it is absolutely gorgeous. I just have issues making looks with it just because I do feel like there's so many shimmers and the mattes don't necessarily go together. However, I do really adore this one, and I think I have this one coming up at some point. If not, I'm gonna add it. I think I played with like these before, and like I said, really enjoyed it. I do think it's a gorgeous color story. It's just ranking lower because I just really do adore all the other ones that I have just a tad bit more. Coming in 6th, I do really adore this one. The color story is insane. It is the Strawberry Milkshake palette here. The cover art is just absolutely adorable. I want them to go more with the style. I really like it. But this is the color story right here. The only reason it is getting ranked as low as it is just it's, as much as I love a good challenging color story, I feel like this has not many options, but I do adore it. I'm finding more things that I can do with it and more looks that I'm like seeing and all that good stuff. So you'll be seeing this one a tad bit more on my channel coming up. But I do love it. Okay, I love all of my Unearthly palettes. I think they are just incredible. But yeah, this one ranks at 6 just right now. At number 5, I have another Valentine's Day mystery box from them. This is Surrender. It is absolutely gorgeous. I think this is my first palette from them, so it has like a lot of sentimental value, but this is the color story for this one. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love the cohesiveness. I love how everything works together in this one. When I first got this, some of the Surrender went into Radiant, so it's not as white of a shimmer as it should be anymore, but I love this one. It's so pretty. It's so gorgeous. These shimmers here are absolutely insane. Everything in this one just works so well, and I love that we have some like grungy neutral tones, and we have some brights over here. We just have a bunch of goodness in this palette, and I really do enjoy this one a whole bunch, which is why it's at number 5. Moving on, we have number 4 though, which is Night Terror. I'm pretty sure this was, it's not necessarily like a mystery box, it was another mystery thing, but this is the color story of this one. It is a little 9-pan. It is just absolutely gorgeous. I love the color story on this one. I think it's just a bunch of fun, gorgeous tones overall. I really do enjoy it. These shimmers are, I love it. This one ranks higher than the milkshake one, just due to the fact that there is some more mattes, it's not so shimmer heavy, which I know is a big thing for me to say as I am a shimmer addict. But yeah, I feel like this one works so much more better, that's horrible English, together than the other ones do, than the milkshake one, hence why that one's put up a little bit higher. And coming in third though is the Don't Be Jelly palette. It is just gorgeous. I love this palette. I love it. And I know that I just said something about like being like really shimmer heavy, but I feel like these shimmers save it though. Like how they look, how they just are, is just incredible. And I do think that it has a lot to do with the color story too, of why I gravitate more towards this one and kind of just throw out all the crap that I just said about the other ones for this. But it's so freaking gorgeous. The shimmers are absolutely insane and incredible, and like they're just stunning. Like, can you see that? Like, they're just insane, and I want to play with this one more. Hence why this one is at number 3, because I love it. Number 2 is another mystery box one. This is from 2023's summer mystery box. This was the large version. This is the Get Groovy palette right here. I love a rainbow palette, and I love that this one is just, in a sense, kind of a little bit different. You know, I feel like this is just so stunning. It's so pretty. Look at these. That shade right there is probably a big reason why it ranks as high as it is. Not just because it isn't, like, you know, a gorgeous palette and whatnot, but Chill does something to me here, and it makes me feel things, and I love it so incredibly much. But yeah, this is the color story of this one. I love it. I love a good like rainbow. I really like the look that I did with this one on its own when I first got it. It was like a liner look. It was insane. I loved it. It was so cool. And coming in at number 1, if you know anything about me, if you know anything about me, like talking about all the stuff that I, you know, I'm into and enjoying as of late, and the color stories and whatnot, you're not gonna be surprised by this. Coming in number 1 is the Gargoyle palette. I love this one. This is one of my top favorites of this year. I will be having a like my favorite palettes of 2024 coming up at some point, I'm pretty sure. I know that I just did purchases, but I think I have my favorites coming up at some point. And I think palettes that I want to use more in 2025, but I don't remember when either of those are. But I think those videos are in the works, like on my calendar. But I don't know. But yeah, this is the color story of Gargoyle. It is just stunning. I love this one so much. It is just breathtaking, and I am a sucker for like a color story, okay? Like when everything like here just works together, it fulfills something in me, and it makes me feel a certain type of way, and I just absolutely adore it. Like this is just gorgeous. I want to play with this one more. This might be another palette, like I said with my Bright 2.0 from Beauty Bay in the video. I think will be going up before or after this. I think it's before this one. I am going to be taking that Bright 2.0 palette out once a month. So maybe I can add this into it, not into like a Mishmash Monday or a palette bingo with it, but just play with this once a month. Put it into the works, you know. It is just absolutely gorgeous. I love it. It's so stunning. Hence why it is at number 1. Like I said, I absolutely love and adore Unearthly. I think their formula is just incredible. I think they always come out with such good color stories and products, and I really do enjoy their brushes. Like I think they're one of the top brands that is out there right now, and I'm excited to see what else they put out this year. I know that they just sneak peeked a couple palettes that I'm gonna hopefully pre-order. We'll see. But yeah, I'm super excited to see what they do this year and what I end up picking up. Maybe we can do another ranking next year of their palettes and that I have and all that stuff. So there's that. But if you made it to this point of the video, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here and enjoying my content. It means the world to me. I love doing this, and I love that you guys enjoy my content and watch it and just all the good stuff. So just thank you so incredibly much. A couple things before you go though. Remember to not be a piece of shit. Don't be homophobic. Don't be transphobic. Don't be racist. If you're any of those things, feel any way like that, you're not wanted here. It's 2025. Pull your head out of your ass and do better, okay? Okay. And remember to be taking care of you, to be taking enough food, enough water, enough nutrients, to just be doing stuff for you. Self-care days, washing your hands, all that good stuff. Again, if you made it to this point of the video, thank you so much for watching. Remember to do good, be good, and I can't wait to see your cute face next time.